Okay, Grayson, careful. It is an older dog. He's missing a tooth. So Kyle picked up a lost dog, who's very, very well groomed and very sweet, and obviously not supposed to be out. All right, so our doggies are curious, but hi, his name is Mr. Peeps. Mr. Peeps, that's hilarious. He's real sweet. We didn't let him around the other dogs or the kids at first because we didn't know his temperament. Kyle's. We've called the owners, but had to leave a message. So, try again.
Just take it all off when we come inside.
Well, after dinner, we'll come out here and play for real.
Grayson, are you all done?
So Grayson, when we weren't looking, we were dealing with Mr. Peeps. Grayson climbed in there all happy in his clothes and diaper. Alright, he's a good dog. He's a really good dog. Alright, let's go inside.
We let him inside to eat dinner?
I don't know.
It's clearly an indoor dog.
He's so clean. And he's staying by me. He's friendly. Alright, Mr. Peeps! We found Mr. Peeps' mom. Huh, Sophie? We found this. His owner was like, "Which dog do you have?" So there's another one. So hopefully the other one's not out too. Definitely not supposed to be out. Huh, Mr. Peeps? Huh, Mr. Peeps? Yay, Grandma! Oh, Grandma, he's got to say hi to you.
Hi, baby.
He's the sweetest dog.
Lost it.
Hey, boys, leave him alone. Boy, come on, Midas. Midas, Jack, come on, guys. Poor Mr. Peeps.
You know what Peeps are?
Grayson's getting his clothes changed. I'm gonna show off the favors. Look, guys, these are the favors for my Fiesta shower. We have a salsa from Central Market, and then I made these, and then my mom has been attaching them.
Braiding.
Aren't they cute? How cute are these favors? Do you like them, Sophie? Okay, so I'm not even wearing pants because I ran out of my bedroom because I heard all this ruckus up here. And then I saw what was going on. I immediately ran back downstairs to get my camera. Really? Really, guys? For real? One of our smoke detectors in this house is beeping because it needs new batteries. It's like doing the battery beep. I don't know which one it is. I gotta find it. And Grayson keeps trying to be helpful by being like, "Mama, blah, 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 beeping." And I'm like, I know, it's beeping. I can hear it. But of course, this happens after Kyle leaves for work. Not when he's here, because he's so tall, he could literally just be like, "Oh, bleep, bleep, bleep," and like fix it. Me, oh, there it goes again. Me, it's like, I have to get a chair, some batteries. Oh well. So our kitchen was mostly tidied up last night after dinner. We had my parents over for dinner. They've eaten dinner over here a lot this week because their house is getting some remodeling work done. So I don't really feel like cooking. You got what? A marker stick?
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, I know what this is gonna be. Oh, cool.
Blue here and then leather at the top.
Cool.
Sorry, I interrupted.
That's okay. She just said, "Sorry I interrupted you." How sweet was that? Good girl. She is learning her manners really well. Okay, so I thought it was this one beeping in my bedroom, but I opened it up and I still hear beeping. So I gotta like wait to see if it's this one or if another one's beeping too. Usually, like, I guess we replace the batteries kind of all around the same time, so when one goes, it's very common for the others to go need new batteries within, you know, a similar period of time. Smoke detectors and all that, carbon monoxide, all that, they in our house at least, I think in most people, they're, oh, was it this one? It's this one. It is definitely this one. They're hooked up to your electricity, right? But they all, you know, you have batteries in there as backup. So like if your electricity goes out because of the fire or whatever, they have a battery as backup. So, yes. Oh, we'll put it all in the baggie. If you lose them, it dries them out. All right. Thankfully, I think this is the kind of battery it takes. Okay, hopefully that does the trick. Now I hear Grayson saying, mine, 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 mine. Hey, Sophie, what's Grayson saying mine, mine for? What are you guys doing?
I wasn't taking his stuff. I wasn't.
Okay, so I know, sweetie. I didn't say you were.
Mine.
He's just saying it to himself because he's dropping some of them. Grayson, maybe you have too many in your hand. Being 2 is a very frustrating age. No, it's frustrating because they're old enough to know what they would like to do and that they want to do something, but they're not always old enough to know how to execute it properly. They're still learning, but they're old enough to be frustrated about it. Oh no, now he turned into a monster. Hey, you guys want to come eat some breakfast? Let's eat breakfast. They never want to eat breakfast right away. They always eat breakfast like way later. All right, I'm having leftovers from dinner last night. We had chicken enchiladas. The kids are having waffles. They look dark because they're whole grain. Apples and peanut butter. Lucky. Oh, trust me, I'm gonna have some deliciousness. Don't worry. So every time I film now, look what's in the way. I know, I see it. I just turned on Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Grayson's pretty stoked. I know. We didn't have any TV, not even like the basic channels, but we just we upgraded our internet and they threw it in for free. So I've got this mess of cables over there. But now they're like, the kids are like, ooh. Guys, check out this alert I just got. Let me get it to focus. Focus there. You are 30 weeks pregnant. Do you know when you need to call your doctor? It's like on the news and they're like, this common household object may kill your family tonight. Stay tuned to find out more. And you're like, what? All right, we are watching a documentary about animals and feeding them. I am getting, again, yet another makeover, but this one's not makeup. That's better. I got this cool strap bracelet that Sophie put on me, which I really like. It's very cool. Flamingos!
And ducks.
A panda, that's right.
And the big ones are from China.
Cool. What are you guys saying?
I said I want to get off so I can do
They were both hugging me, saying, "My mommy."
Mommy.
My Grayson and my Sophie. I'm both your mommies. I'm mommy to both of you. But they weren't fighting, though. They were like laughing about it.
Put this ring on your finger?
Yeah.
I mean this one.
Sure, you can put that ring on my finger.
It fits.
Oh, yeah, kinda.
Yeah, it does. When you turn it over, you can see. I'm gonna take it off real quick. I think I put it the wrong way.
Okay.
There.
Wow.
Oops, I put it the wrong way again. No, I didn't.
Wow, it's so pretty. Thank you. Okay, the kids made a bit of a mess in here, so they're having to clean it up. And Grayson came out with sunglasses, and he got into his drawer that he's not supposed to be in. Hey guys, the kids are, let me turn that down. I am going to my midwife appointment. I go every 2 weeks now, which is crazy. But my mom's got the kids. Hopefully they'll go down for their nap for her. They won't give her trouble. They're pretty good about it, but you know, they seemed pretty hyper, so yeah. All right, let me turn this bad boy down. Just had a fantastic midwife appointment. Baby sounded great. I've only gained another pound, so I was glad. And I'll obviously do my pregnancy vlog update. Will have all the information, but it went well. My blood pressure was good. That's the one thing I'm always like, check my blood pressure. But anyway, so that's that. Now I go again in 2 weeks. Craziness. Alright, Grayson's out here. He is naked. He stepped in an ant den. So Kyle, airplane! So Kyle had to think fast and get him in a pool. Poor baby. He's like, it's all bit up on his little bottom. But he's okay. Kyle and I have decided the ant problem is beyond us. We are calling someone for help, aren't we?
Yeah.
We waved a little white flag and gave an inappropriate finger gesture to them and called for help. Sophie and I are going to go have a girls' evening shopping. Gonna go spend lots and lots of money. Oh!
No, boys.
What did you shop for?
All her little shorts that she outgrew up.
Clothes for Miss Sophie. Grayson got a snack and found a snacking spot. Yeah.
I just told Sophie she's all of this. She's getting to shop for herself. Hey, look, Soph. Here's some pretty shirts here. Oh, really?
What was 5? There's the one with 5. This is called the apparel. We're gonna have to do it in that big space.
Okay.
That's how we do the apparel.
This is... That's the apparel dance, you guys. She's...
Not on that light blue. To the red light blue.
So now we're done snacking. We're just enjoying the sunset. Eating some ice.
Daddy, apple.
Mmm. You got a big one. There you go.
What did you find? Oh, Sophie's picking the baby out A gift for the shower, huh, Sophie?
I think I like this.
You like the dress? That is so cute.
You guys, but we cut the apple juice with ice and water. And that seems to work out pretty well. The kids don't know the joy of unfettered apple juice. One day they'll get there. They're like, you filled our heads with lies. What you gave us was apple water at best. Oh, Mama's home. Want to say night night to Mama? We'll wait right here and wait for Mommy to come in and we'll say night night. Jack, hush.
No.
Thank you, Grace.
Jack. Mama, bye-bye.
No, Mama came back. Mama's come back home.
Mama.
Yeah, she's going to come in the door in just a second. You want to scare? You want to surprise Mama? You want to go shh and go boo? Come here. Come on. Come here. Ready? Wait, Jack. Shh. 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 Okay, wait. Boo!
Why are you still up and so naked?
We're going to night night right now when you came in.
Why are you so...
Bye-bye.
Oh, you wanted to go bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Hello, Daddy.
I was wondering, I heard Jack barking and I was like, why isn't Kyle stopping?
Well, we were literally going upstairs when you pulled up. So
Oh, we're up like 2. But you know what? They kids napped really late. Oh, okay. Okay.
Sophie.
Oh, great. You have to be quiet and no talking. No.
She's so cute.
Good choice.
Sophie's showing Daddy what she picked out for the baby for her baby shower gift. I'll show it off in a baby vlog. It's so cute though.
They didn't know what it was.
Yeah.
So they went into the castle and went just like overnight. And then under the beds was ghosts.
Oh.
They came out. They scared all the people.
Sophia's telling Kyle. What's this story called? The Princess?
Ghost Princesses.
The Ghost Princesses. She's making up a scary story. So, I'm just going to show you guys that I am wearing this outfit that it's pajamas. They're from Kohl's. They're the Vera Wang brand or whatever. But I bought this with Sophia. I was pregnant, I think with Sophia. Maybe it was Grayson. I don't remember. No, I can't remember. Maybe it was pregnant with Grayson. Either way, I've had it a while. And I was like, ooh, I want to wear that. I actually got it so it'd be easy to nurse in because the straps don't come down. Like, it comes down really easily. And it also lifts up really easily. So it was comfortable to nurse in, but the top was high enough to be like more discreet because I'm blessed in that area, so I don't like flashing my goods to everybody who comes to visit, so I try to find tops that aren't. Was it a scary story?
Yeah.
Super scary. They got stuck in a secret cave with no exits.
Oh!
And then they found an exit.
Then they found one. Oh,
Then they
phew.
found- I mean,
Phew.
And then the two princesses broke the curse.
Yes. Good.
it was scary.
Good. Hey, Sophie, you want to tell everybody good night?
Good night.
Say good night, YouTube.
Good night, YouTube. Good night, YouTube.
She always calls it YouTube. Hey, we need to do that thing we talked about. We said we were going to have Sophie tell bedtime stories and put them on YouTube. We're going to do that. Do you want to do that? Do you want to share your stories?
Mm-hmm.
I bet she did. She's all like, put me in front of a camera and let me perform. Yes, please. That's my little...
Tell a story again.
Well, you know what? We have already filmed a bazillion times today, but I want you to think of a good story, okay? And we'll start doing it. We'll start filming it for YouTube. Okay? All right.
Nope.
Tell Mama that.
Night, night, princess. Love you. You disappeared under my belly. Well, that's just mean. That's just taunting me.
Alright, come on, little Sophie.
Aw, thanks for those belly kisses. Little blue mouth from your cookie.